Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. You are welcome. If you are new here, you are welcome. This is where we do lovely recipes. Today we are doing sweet plantain fritters. Okay, in Ghana we call it KAAKLO. Some people call it KAAKLO. They call it different names. It's so delicious. So come along with me and let's do this easy, delicious recipe. So to start with, we use overripe plantain. Okay, if you have overripe plantain, this is the best recipe for it. So don't throw away your overripe plantain. You can use it for this recipe. It's so sweet and it's so delicious. So just take the peel off and cut it into small pieces. Right, so we are using these spices for our recipe. So I have some onions, some ginger, some Scotch bonnet, black pepper, African nutmeg, and also some cloves. I'll put them all in the description box. So what you do is I'm cutting these into small pieces, which will help in grinding it, because I am using my Ghanaian or African grinding pot. Okay, if you don't have this, you can use food processor. All right, but I love using this because it gives me the specific texture I want. If you want to buy this, I think you can check with any African shop or Ghanaian shop. You are going to get this pot to buy. It's very easy to get. So guys, I just want to crush the black pepper, the African nutmeg, and the other ingredients before I add it to the mixture. I just prefer doing this way, but you can just add it straight on and then grind it. Right, so we mix it with the spices nicely, as you can see. So I'm adding some corn flour to it to help the texture. Okay, you can add plain flour if you prefer. I like adding corn flour because I want it to be gluten free, but it's all good if you add plain flour. So guys, we are ready to fry our sweet plantain fritters. Okay, you shouldn't let the oil be too hot. If it's very hot, it will burn it. You have to put it at a medium heat, okay, so that it will cook nicely, so that the inside will cook nicely. If it's very hot, it will burn and it will not be cooked properly. guys, this is all done. It's a very easy recipe. Okay, so what we have here, I've paired it with some salted peanuts. Okay, if you want the recipes on my channel, all right, and you can have it also with beans. Okay, bean stew. It's very delicious as well. I've done it on my channel as well. I'll link them all down below so you can check it out. So guys, if you like this recipe, just give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Okay, and do put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks so much for watching, and may God richly bless you. Please share this as well. Thank you very much. Bye.